everyone. So, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me on today's wonderful events. If you would like to, and it'd be really nice of you if you could go down to the bottom, click like, subscribe, you know, give me some more views, some more viewers, some subscribers. Thanks, helps out a lot. I hope you enjoy some of these videos. Other than that, so today I guess we're gonna go get my bike inspected for the second time because I got a fix-it ticket again yesterday when I went to go get some new ink. So I'm gonna throw that in here, probably like right here. What's up?
Stop here for a couple reasons. You can't see your plate. You don't have a mirror.
Does that not count as a mirror?
Where are your signals? Taped on?
Well, these ones are kind of, they're like JB Weld taped on. They're kind of busted pretty bad.
Gotcha. You have your license and insurance on it?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, my tag was an issue before. I went and got it checked out.
That's not the issue. You can't see your plate.
My plate?
Plates swing in and you can't even see it.
Alright. Yeah, because I know I went and got it checked off because I got a fix-it ticket probably like a month ago.
For what?
For my tag actually being mounted vertically.
Okay.
So I mounted it horizontally and then went and had it checked and they were like, yeah, it's good to go. So
maybe when you're not sitting on it, but when you're sitting on it, you can't even see it. You just see it dangling off.
Alright, yeah.
Equipment violations, but do you have insurance or registration?
I've got insurance through Progressive. I don't have a recent card. I can try and pull it up on my phone. I might be able to pull it up on my phone. I do have insurance on it though.
Your bike?
It's an 07. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it's actually the same officer who pulled me over before, and he was very much a dick this time. He was just down in my bike the whole time, saying that I had a whole bunch of stuff wrong with it, said my plate was loose, which it was, and like as I was trying to fix it, he was like, yeah, I'm still gonna have to give you a fix-it ticket because it's in the wrong location. So this time I just bolted it up to my tail light, so hopefully we'll see how that goes. I mean, there was a lot of cops out yesterday. If you got away, you were lucky. So we'll see. I can't remember which one is the police station, so I'm just gonna go think it's actually this one. No. Look, there it is. Oceanside Police Department. You know, I feel like cops aren't really that bad. Like, they're just people like you and me. I just feel like people wouldn't hate cops if it wasn't for that one cop. And y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, there's always that one that's a complete butthole, but all the other ones are really nice. And it's like, I just continually keep dealing with the butthole one. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Flipped it like that this time. It was up under my...
Yeah, gotta have it out. So, 201A.
And now, I did have a question. So I'm planning on using the like express box at the courthouse.
Mm-hmm.
It is a $25 fee, correct?
Yes, it's $25 check for a money order.
Right.
And you put it in at the traffic annex building, not in the main courthouse for traffic. Yep.
Yeah, because last time I got one, I sat in there for like 5 hours for like a 2-minute process.
Yep.
And I was like, not doing that again.
But you gotta put that in an envelope with it.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Sure. Alright guys, so as you can tell, that did not take long. Not one bit. Just had to get here to get that taken care of. And now it's signed off, I can go home and edit this video and complain more. Also, I'm going to complain to y'all real quick about this clutch lever and how I still don't have the stock one, so it's spongy. And I still can't do burnouts or second gear wheelies, so I am running out of first and sometimes not getting up into first, and then when I run out of first I am actually like running out of gear completely and can't shift up. So I'm gonna have to start working on like powering it up and then shifting out, looks like, I guess, which I was working on for a minute. Still leaking some oil. It's not good. I guess this is the one good thing about California, is this right here. They believe in their motorcycles being able to lane split. So one solid thing. Any cops? No, but a car broke down right there in the street. Interesting. Alright guys, sorry about that light. It took forever. Jesus, it was so long. But yeah, so I mean that was it. I got my fix it ticket done. Still waiting on some parts. The guy at Moto Forza did call me yesterday and told me that my clutch cable was in, but I'm still waiting on my levers and master cylinder and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna go pick it up yet. I'm just gonna let it go for a little bit. I told him I'd just come pick it all up at once. I also should be today getting some like neon colored zip ties Why, I don't know. I thought they might be handy, so I might stitch some of these plastics and definitely, you know, clean up some of these cables. Might give the bike a more definitely, I don't know what you want to call it. It's not JDM feel to it, but I'm going to go with that anyways. I'm just going to say that's what I'm going to do to it. Because it's me, you know. Sticker slap everything and throw some neon zip ties on it. Doesn't have to be pretty. It's got to look cool, right? That's all it is. It doesn't have to look pretty, just look cool. Jesus, I couldn't get it back in a second. Alright guys, so that's it for today. It's nice and hot outside. I'm gonna end it here. Got my ticket signed off on. Boom. That's dope. Also just checked my mail since I just got home and got a package, and I'm pretty sure it is my 650 pack of neon colored zip ties. So we'll be getting to that. Probably do it in another garage series. I know y'all just finished the garage series episode 4 where I put the Pro Taper Fusions on. Yep, those things right there. Dope bars. So real quick for me, if y'all want to and y'all like this video and watch it all the way through, you enjoy, go down the bottom, like, share, subscribe, and deuces. Look at all those colors. Ew. Ah.